What's up guys, I'm gonna teach you in today's tutorial how to add HTML to your GoDaddy website. So make sure to keep up till the end and not miss on any step. So first, go to the GoDaddy website and click on your profile in the top screen. Then, go to your products and from the page here, scroll down till you see Websites Plus Marketing. Then, find your plan and select Manage next to it. So, it will load a preview of your website. And you want to click on Edit Website, it should take us to GoDaddy Website Editor. Scroll down until you find the option to add a section. Then search for HTML, and like this, you can add a custom code on your page and it will appear with no issues. And that's it guys.